Hello viewers, welcome to Algorithm, and this is a video that's going to show you how to install Metamask Wallet on your Chrome browser. This is going to allow you to be able to receive, send, and store your crypto. Not for Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, you need another type of wallet, but for your regular or altcoins, um, this is a wallet that's going to help you um, do this. Like for example, tokens from Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, etc. So go through this video and so we could see the step by steps that are going to help you how to do this. So the first step is to go to metamask.io, and this is going to take you to the MetaMask webpage. Once you're there, you should be able to see all the information regarding the MetaMask wallet. If you scroll down, it's going to show you some samples and a lot of information regarding the actual wallet. It has a very detailed documents and images to help you out with this. And once you are done kind of reading, you could go to the right side of the page, top right, click on Get MetaMask, and it's gonna show you the extension for the browser for the wallet. And then you have the option after looking into it to add to Chrome. On the right side, you could add to Chrome. There's a button for that, and you can see all the info on the bottom of the page. Once you click on the button, it's going to ask you to add extension. You could just add the extension to the browser, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the process of the extension being downloaded. It's probably going to be on your download folder, and once you're able to finish downloading the extension, then you just click on it, go to the folder, and once you click on it again, you should be able to follow the instruction to see that it's been added to your browser. You could pin it to your browser also if you want to, so you could always have the little box on top, on the right top corner, and be able to see it. You can switch languages to see which language you want the wallet to be on. And here you have to agree to the terms and agreements of MetaMask. Then you're gonna press create new wallet. If you already have a wallet, you could just import the C phrase and everything will be transferred. If not, just create a new wallet. It's gonna give you some helpful tips. It's gonna ask you whether you agree also with the terms and the usage of data. You could read this section and decide whether you want to or not. Of course, if you want the wallet, you have to, after reading, if you do, you have to press agree. Or if not, no thanks if you don't want no data to be transferred. It's going to ask you to create a password. This is going to be the password you're going to be using to log in into your wallet once your wallet is created. This is not the C phrase. This is just a password to log in case you don't want your wallet to be logged in all the time. And every time you try to look into your wallet, it's going to ask you for a password. And this is what you are creating at the moment. It's going to ask you to put in the password, and then after that, it's going to ask you for first it's going to ask you for 8 characters minimum. And then once you decided what password you want to use, you just go to the bottom, you confirm. You got to put in the same password that is on top and the bottom just to confirm that it's correct. And once you have done that, you could just check the I understand the MetaMask cannot recover this password for me, and that will actually give you or create the the wallet. As you can see here, the wallet has to be at least 8 characters long, and you have to match the one on top. Once it's matched, all you have to do is click on the box, go to confirm, and then go to create button or create a new wallet. And once you click there, your wallet is created. The second step is to secure your C phrase, or the seed phrase for your wallet, of course. And you could just read these details about the C phrase and how many words and all of the details of how to recover it if you need to recover your wallet. You don't want to share this information, the C phrase, because anybody could just log in from another device and transfer your crypto or anything you have there. So you want to keep this seed phrase saved. Once you have decided you have read this section also, which I suggest you do, then you go to C phrase, and to see the C phrase, you want to write down the C phrase or take a screenshot or whatever you need to remember the C phrase. Because remember, if you lose a C phrase, this C phrase, you're gonna end up, you could end up losing your crypto or not being able to log in back to your crypto. You could reveal the reveal a secret C phrase, and it's gonna be in this case 12 words. You have to remember or write down these words. You could always click on the copy to clipboard and save it on a notepad, or it all depends what you want to do. It's up to you. And after you've done that, and you're finished making sure everything is copied or saved, you go to the next button. And then the third and final step is to confirm that you have written down the C phrase. So what's going to happen is it's going to tell you to confirm the C phrase, and it's going to ask you for a couple of boxes that are empty. Now normally it's about three of them, and then you have to look at your C phrase, the one you saved, and confirm that you have those phrases by completing the task. And then once you complete those three words, in this case, you just confirm, and then it's going to confirm that you actually know the C phrase because you knew the ones they asked you for. And that's it's going to congratulate you, meaning that your wallet is already created, and now you're going to be able, or you are ready to receive and send crypto into this digital wallet. In the case of Algorithms, you'll be able to connect this wallet to use the store, um, take advantage of the store and the web via Web3. So this wallet is going to help you interact with Web3 platforms, and that is the purpose of this wallet, because the crypto wallet is actually a Web3 enabled wallet. It's going to show you some tips, how to pin your MetaMask wallet to your browser. So like that, you just click on the little box, and your wallet information will come out, like how many tokens you have and your balance. And once you're done, in this case, it's asking you for Solana MetaMask if you want to add Solana. So you'll be able to interact with Solana also through this MetaMask wallet. If you don't want to, just click not now. You could add that later, or you could just view Solana account. All depends. So here's the MetaMask wallet. Here you can see it's a zero balance because it's a new account. It's a new wallet. It's in the Ethereum network. Here you could, if you click on the left top side, you could switch networks like Binance Smart Chain. You could add the chains, the blockchains. In this case, if we add Binance Smart Chain, we're adding the one we are using in on algorithms.com website, because Algo or Algorithms is a Binance Smart Chain token. And here you could just approve. It's going to add the blockchain into your wallet. And now if you look at the left top side of the wallet, you can see that we are now in Binance Smart Chain and not in Ethereum. You could always switch. And here we have zero balance because we have no coins at the moment in this wallet. And you could just choose whether you want to buy through this platform. You could either buy, swap from one coin to another. You could bridge, which means from one blockchain to another, send, or receive tokens or coins. So pretty much this is how it works. You just have to use it a little bit. There's going to be more tutorials about this, but once you use it once or twice, it's pretty simple. It's pretty, it's not that difficult. Here you could, on the right side, pin your wallet. You just press on MetaMask, the little pin image, and it's gonna pin on the right side. It's gonna pin your wallet. So you have to do, if you want to go through it, you just click on it, and it's gonna show you this info that you're seeing now. It's gonna show you the wallet. If it's locked out, it's gonna ask you for the password we created. And let's go to algorithms.com, and now we're gonna connect the wallet to the store. So if we go to store on algorithms.com, or buy, or let's say we go to buy, and it's going to ask you to connect your wallet to algorithms.com. This is your crypto wallet on the right side, top right. All you have to do is confirm or connect. Once it's connected, he's going to show you the connection of your wallet, and it's going to show your balance, and it's going to show the price of the token. And here the same info you see, ending the wallet ending in 17711. You can see it on the website. It says it's ending in 7711. So this confirms that this is your wallet. You could click again on the wallet and disconnect. If you click again, it connects again right away. And pretty much that's how to connect your wallet, create and connect your MetaMask wallet to algorithms.com. I hope this video was useful and informative. And please try to subscribe to our social medias, either Facebook, x.com, Instagram, or TikTok. And hopefully, we will be able to upload in more videos showing you more info and news about crypto and Bitcoin. And just make sure you make the effort to be aware of when we post more videos and more content, so you could take advantage of our reward programs and giveaways we're going to be giving to our subscribers and users. So hopefully you become a what I would call a algorithm decentralized nation citizen, and take advantage of all the offers we're going to give in platform development. So thank you very much. I hope you have a great day, and I see you soon.